Today I'm bringing you another story about Ugomma and Ilebuna. Ugomma was an only child. Ilebuna was the slave. Ugomma's parents were always buying good things for Ugomma, pampering her, treating her like a princess. She was not allowed to do any chore. All she did was they would get her ready, leave her to sleep, and then she would come out, play with her mates, and then go back to sleep. And it was looking so beautiful while the slave, Ilebona, was doing all the other chores, all the chores in the house. And she was not happy. So one day, all the maidens in the village were supposed to get ready and present themselves in the village arena, in the village square, to be selected by eligible bachelors to marry them. Ilebona's parents got her ready, put nja. Nja is made of metal, from her ankle towards her waist on both legs, through her leg, through her thigh, into the waist and both legs. And that meant she wouldn't be able to get up unless somebody took her up. But she was supposed to rest the whole day so she would look fresh for the evening outing. So she lay there and they went out, hoping to come back early enough to take her, bring her up to go to the arena. When they left, a millipede entered the house. A huge, mighty, man-eating millipede entered the house. When she saw the millipede coming towards her, she started calling the slave to come and remove the millipede. She started singing, Ilebuna, nwanne biko bịanụ, Ilebuna, biko biko kpesu nda, Ilebuna, nne m nye m azụ nda, Ilebuna, ka nye gị ọnwụ ime n'ọnụ nda, Ilebuna, nna m nye m azụ nda, Ilebuna, ka nye gị ọnwụ ime n'ọnụ nda, Ilebuna, biko biko kpesu nda. Ilebuna came, saw the millipede going towards her where she was lying down, and knew she wasn't going to be able to get up. Just said, shrugged, and left. The millipede came to her toes. She started screaming, Ilebuna, biko biko bịaliyo nda, Ilebuna, nwanne biko kpesu nda, Ilebuna, nne m nye m azụ nda, Ilebuna, ka nye gị ọnwụ ime n'ọnụ nda, Ilebuna, nna m nye m azụ nda, Ilebuna, ka nye gị ọnwụ ime n'ọnụ nda. She was saying, please come and remove the millipede. When my father gives me fish, I will give you some. When my mother gives me fish, I will give you some. But please, please come and remove this millipede. Ilebuna did not reply. She was outside doing her chores. The millipede got into the rings on that her legs were caked in the nja, and went in and started eating her flesh and eating her flesh. By the time they got to the thigh, the pain was excruciating. She was screaming, Ilebuna, nwanne biko kpesu nda, Ilebuna, biko biko kpesu nda, Ilebuna, nne m nye m azụ nda, Ilebuna, ka nye gị ọnwụ ime n'ọnụ nda, Ilebuna, nna m nye m azụ nda, Ilebuna, ka nye gị ọnwụ ime n'ọnụ nda, Ilebuna, biko biko kpesu nda. Ilebuna, biko biko kpesu nda. She kept singing. The millipede got into her waist. From there, got into her heart and ate up her heart, and then she died. When she died, she lay there. Ilebuna saw her and ran away. When the parents came home to help her get up to go for the evening outing, they saw her corpse. By then, the millipede itself had crawled out, and they had to bury their child. And and we'd say, when you have a slave, a house servant, treat the servant well, treat the maid well, treat your slave well, so that they too will reciprocate and treat your children well. Ilebuna nwanne m biko kpeesu nda Ilebuna biko biko kpeesu nda. Ilebuna did not respond because she wasn't treated well. The end of my story.